is the tribal council that went to Washington, D.C. And they talked about our Siletz tribe to get restored. Because when Grandma was going to go to college way back in 1971, I got a letter from the federal government saying Grandma was not born. I was not born. I'm sitting right here talking. I was not born. But this is my dad right here, Robert Relatus, and the Siletz Tribal Council that went to Washington, D.C. Yeah, and we got restored in 1977 through the federal government. Now we're actually alive Indians now. And our tribe is called Confederated. Can you say that? Confederated Tribes of Siletz Indians of Oregon. Yep, I was not born. So, yep. And this is the lawyer that went with them, Charles Wilkinson, Pauline Ricks, and Art Bensel. Art Bensel at the time was our mayor of the little town called Siletz, Oregon. And then this is Catherine Harrison, Bob Tom, Pauline Ricks, Elta Corville, and Sister Phyllis Griggs right here. And this is Alfred Lane Sr., and this is Dig Pigsley. Right now she's a Siletz tribal chairperson right now. So when they got restored, they had a big old powwow. It was nice. And then the next picture I want to show you is, well, this is our pictures off our calendar that they made a long time ago. And here we go. Remember I mentioned Archie Ben, Grandpa Archie Ben? This is Grandpa right here. This is my grandpa. That's my mom's dad. And let's see, who else I recognize? Oh, this is Grandma Ben right here. This is Victoria Ben. And
how they looked.
How they looked? Yep.
They didn't look all black and white.
No, see, this is a black and white picture. Now, if it's in color, it'd be really cool. They show all Grandpa's beadwork and how the colors are. So, but we do have a picture of that here with it in color. But this is the people that were there up on the hill. It's called Government Hill in Siletz, Oregon. And then, this right here is the first powwow they had, 1979 up on the hill in Siletz, Oregon.
It's like the first
and then this
Disneyland.
Oh yeah, you remember seeing that video?
It was like Indians there.
Yeah, but that wasn't us though. It was another tribal people that were dancing for Disneyland. Remember you said, what? You're dancing that in Disneyland? Now here's another picture of them all dressed down. See right here? So you got Ben, Archie Ben. And then this is his brother. That's Uncle Patrick Ben. And then, who else do I recognize in there? That's all I recognize in there.
Who is this?
I don't know their names, Grandma. I don't know.
You wasn't born?
No, I was born. And so, but Grandma don't know their names by, I recognize them, but I don't know their names. And then here's some more pictures of us. And I was going to show you, I just had that picture. Here we go. Grandma Pearl, my dad's mom. This is her mom. This is Lizzie Simmons. And then this is all of her dress right here she wore. And it's all leather and then beadwork. Dentillion shells. And she has a hand feather and here's a bag right here. It's a dance bag. It's beaded. So, but when we, on our history here, as for the dancing, and they put these, our pictures in these calendars, which is pretty cool. The one picture I couldn't find was Grandma Ben, but that was on the first powwow downtown in Siletz, Oregon. But I don't think it's in these calendars. I was looking for it to see if I can find it. And so, but these are all our relatives. And here's some more. These are all, they call them feather dancers. And we've been dancing all of our lives. Like I always tell everybody, I've always been Indian. I've always been Indian. Even though the government said we weren't Indian, but we grew up as being Native American Indians. And we were taught a lot of stuff about our tribe and our culture.
You was an Indian, but your family got stored to the other country?
No, we stayed right there in Oregon. So, and right there in Oregon, we stayed right there in Oregon. So that's Oregon. And so,